Transform your Webflow collection lists into responsive masterpieces that look stunning on every mobile screen. First, let's tackle the spacing. Select your entire collection list wrapper in the Style panel. Navigate to the spacing section. Ensure your top and bottom margins are set to Auto or a small, consistent value that translates well across all devices. This prevents content from feeling cramped. Now, let's get mobile-specific. Click on the responsive device icon at the top of the designer. To access your breakpoints, start with the smallest mobile view. Observe your collection list in the mobile portrait view. If your items are displayed in columns and are too narrow to read, we need to adjust. Click on the collection list itself in the Style panel. Under Layout, change the display setting to Block. See how each item now takes up the full width? This is crucial for readability now. Let's refine the padding within each individual collection item. Select one of your collection items and adjust its left and right padding. Aim for a comfortable buffer on either side, making sure text isn't butting up against the screen edges. Also, check your typography at this breakpoint. Select any text elements within your collection item, like headings or paragraphs. Adjust their font sizes and line heights to be more compact for mobile screens, improving readability and preventing overflow. As you move up to tablet breakpoints, you might find that a single column is too wide. You can reintroduce columns here. Select your collection list wrapper, and under Layout, change the display back to Grid or Flexbox, and then adjust the number of columns to fit your desired tablet layout. Finally, always test your changes by switching between the different device previews, and even publish your site to see it live on your own mobile device. This ensures a consistently excellent user experience. By following these steps, your Webflow collection lists will not only look fantastic, but also function flawlessly on any mobile device, keeping your visitors engaged with your dynamic content.